Hello everyone, welcome to Lit Studio by Karishma. So today we are going to talk about antithesis, which is a very important literary device. So now let's jump right into the video. Antithesis. The term antithesis means opposite. In literary analysis, an antithesis is a pair of statements or images in which one reverses the meaning of or contradicts another. There are two statements wherein one contradicts the other. It is generally to present stark it is used generally to present stark differences between two ideas. For example, there are two almost quite contrary ideas. To present the difference that they pose, they are presented together. That is how antithesis came into existence. Antithesis is a figure of speech that states strongly contrasting ideas placed in juxtaposition. They contain compound sentences with two independent clauses separated by a comma or semicolon. Or in most cases, it could be seen in a compound sentence with a conjunction. So remember this, antithesis has sentences in it. That is how it is differed from oxymoron. Oxymoron is also contradicting things. Then why is it not the same? If you ask that, oxymoron talks about words. Two contradicting words come together in juxtaposition. That is oxymoron. But in antithesis, two contradictory sentences come together in juxtaposition. That is what antithesis is about. To give you a few examples of antithesis, hope for the best, prepare for the worst. How you look at how these things are contradicting each other, but they make sense when they are seen together. Also, it is separate. These are two independent clauses on their own, and it is separated by a semicolon. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times. It was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness. This is the line from Tale of Two Cities by Dickens. You look at the sentences, how they are making meaning because of its contradiction with the coming sentence. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times. Both these sentences contradict each other. They both differ very much, but it makes meaning. Just because of that, it makes the meaning. It was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness. It presents the stark differences in the society, right? So now that is the reason why antithesis could be used to present the stark differences in a society. But and we see this sentence, better to reign in hell than to serve in heaven. This is a sentence, it's a compound sentence where there is a conjunction. So it is what Satan says in Paradise Lost by Milton. He says that better to reign in hell than to serve in heaven. It is also an exemplary example of antithesis. And then we all know this example, to err is human, to forgive is divine, which is a sentence by Alexander Pope. So I hope the concept of antithesis is clear to you now. Please remember the difference between antithesis and oxymoron. Although they are both contradictory things just coming together, oxymoron is more about the words and antithesis is about the sentences. All right, we also see in which scenario or setting an antithesis could be seen here. So yeah, that is it for this lecture. I hope you understand the concept of antithesis. Also, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you.